start off cool down exercise 2 minutes and stretching about 4 minutes. This is jumping jack. Main idea is to slow down your heart rate, followed by spot jogging. Again, the heart rate is further brought down because during your main workout, it increases a lot. Very gently you have to jog. The next one is a standing toe touch. These are all to just bring down your heart rate to the normal level. Now this is the walking with arm stretch. Just normal walking in the same place. Try to stretch out your arm and open up your shoulders as comfortably as you can. All will be about 10 to 15 seconds each of these cool down. Now we'll start the stretching. This is straight leg hang. Try to touch your foot, then the floor without bending your knees. Do it as much as you can comfortably do. Don't stretch too much. Again, this also for 10. You start with 10 seconds, then you can go up to 15 seconds. This is the sideways. I am showing the same straight leg hang. Stretch comfortably, don't strain. You may not be able to go for one time, touch the floor, so do as much as you can. The second one is the quad stretch. This is for the quads, that is front of the thigh. Lift your one leg, hold your hold your feet and try to touch the heels to your hip and feel the stretch on the front of your thighs. This is sideways. First start with the right leg, then you can do the left leg. Feel the stretch in the front of your thighs. Now this is the prone calf stretch. The leg which is touching the ground, you have to just try to touch the heel of that leg on the floor. And by doing that, you will feel the stretch. First you do the right, and then you can go to the left or any one of your preference. It may not be, you may not be able to touch your heel with the floor, but try to do it as much as you can to feel the stretch in your calves. Now we'll be doing the butterfly stretch. This is for your inner groin. Try to push both of your knees towards the floor and feel the tension, the stretch on your groin, the inside of the groins. Now the hamstring stretch. Fold one leg so that the feet touches the thigh and bend over towards your straight leg and try to touch your toes. Then the alternate leg. This is for the hamstring stretch. This all has to be done. You start with about, say, 10 seconds stretch, and then you can continue till 12-15 seconds. Now the bend over stretch. Comfortably go down, try to touch your toes. You may not be able to do at one shot, but try slowly, as time goes on, you go on practicing, you will be able to do it. Now this is the overhead tricep stretch. The elbow of your left of your left hand is pulled by your right hand to feel the stretch on your triceps. First you do with the right hand and left hand. Next is the left hand, or any of the hand you prefer to do first. Now, this is the crossover arm stretch. This is for the shoulders. The rhomboid, the deltoid, they feel the stretch. First with one hand, then alternatively the other hand. Try to keep your hand stretched as much parallel to your chest. Same, start with 10 seconds, slowly go to 15 seconds. Now this is for stretching of your chest. Hold the wall with one hand and try to twist around as much as you can comfortably. The stretch should be kept on hold for about 10 to 12 seconds initially, then you can go till 15 seconds. First with one side and then on the other side. This is for stretching the chest muscles. Now the next one is the wall shoulder stretch. Hold the wall with both your hands. Just touch. Keep your hands on the wall, and then try to go down. Go down and feel the stretch on your shoulders. This also you can start with 10 seconds and slowly go up to 12 seconds and 15 seconds, or you can go up. This one you can go up to 30 seconds also. It's very very relaxing for your shoulders and also the rhomboid part. Now this is the supine torso stretch. This is for your torso, relaxation of the torso. Both knees together, bend to one side, and the face should be bent to the opposite direction. Both your shoulders should not raise from the floor. Both your shoulders should touch on the floor while you shift your position of your knees from right to left. And feel this stretch for 10 seconds, then 15 seconds, and if you can till 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Now we will be doing the cobra stretch. This is for your core, abdomen, and in front, this stretch is felt till the front of the hip flexor. Now this is the shell stretch. Slowly recede your hands towards your thigh and try to keep your face between the thighs and try to touch your thighs with your shoulders and forming an arc in your back. This is a very good relaxing stretch for your back. Now at the last we will be doing the Shavasana. This is the yoga posture. Keep your body loose, palms facing upwards, legs a bit apart, and slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. This you continue for 30 seconds. This exercise is the most important among all of them to bring down the heart level, the rate of the breathing, everything to the normal.